Imagine boarding a flight today, knowing your family would be financially unprotected if you never made it home. It's uncomfortable to think about, but every parent and spouse has imagined that possibility at least once. The question isn't whether something unexpected could happen, it's whether your family would be financially ready if it did. Family life insurance isn't about expecting tragedy. It's about making sure the people you love have choices instead of panic. If a parent or spouse dies, life insurance creates a financial cushion that keeps everyday life moving forward. It can replace income, pay off major debts, and give your spouse time to focus on healing instead of worrying about bills. It can also help cover childcare, education, everyday expenses, and even final costs that arrive when families are least prepared. Once you understand what life insurance is truly meant to protect, choosing the right policy becomes much less confusing. The next decision is choosing the type of policy that actually fits your family's needs. For most families, term life insurance provides the largest protection during the years it's needed most. Whole life insurance offers something different, lifetime protection and cash value, but it also comes with significantly higher premiums. Once you understand those differences, the next question becomes the one every family asks. How much coverage do you actually need? So, how much life insurance does a family actually need? There's no magic number. The right amount depends on the financial gap your family would face if your income suddenly disappeared. Start by asking a simple question. What would your spouse still have to pay every single month? Then add childcare, education, outstanding debts, and the future goals you still want your children to achieve. Finally, subtract the resources your family already has, like savings, investments, employer benefits, or existing life insurance. This simple process helps you avoid two expensive mistakes, buying far too little coverage or paying for far more than your family actually needs. But choosing the amount isn't enough. You also need to make sure the money reaches the right people. Most married couples name their spouse as the primary beneficiary and choose backup beneficiaries in case something unexpected happens. If your children are still young, it's worth thinking carefully about how that money would be managed until they become adults. Many families use a trust, so the money is protected, managed responsibly, and distributed exactly as they intended. Clear beneficiary instructions also help your family avoid unnecessary legal delays during one of the hardest times of their lives. But protecting your family isn't just about the policy itself. It's also about the extra features that can make your coverage even stronger. So what extra features should a family actually look for before buying life insurance? Some policy riders can make a tremendous difference, but only if they solve real problems your family might actually face. A waiver of premium rider can keep your policy active if you become disabled and can no longer afford the payments. A convertible term rider allows you to switch to permanent coverage later without taking another medical exam, a valuable option if your health changes. Some families also choose child riders or accelerated death benefit riders to strengthen their overall protection. But remember, life insurance should never work alone. Health insurance, disability insurance, emergency savings, and a properly written will all work together with life insurance to protect your family. One of the biggest mistakes families make is buying a policy and then forgetting about it for years. Marriage, new children, higher income, a new mortgage, or changing jobs are all reasons to review your life insurance. The strongest family protection plan isn't always the biggest policy. It's the one that's reviewed, updated, and built around your family's real needs. If you're ready to build a plan that fits your family, get a free life insurance quote from Quote Maestro today.